shop, you know where I'm talking about, out on 43, 231.
My dad needs a hoe.
1 mile north of 74, turn right on 400
See what I got there.
and go to the first road, which is 100, and come down that and you'll see us. Alright? Okay, see you in a little bit. Yeah, bye-bye. I hate giving people my address because GPS don't find us a lot of the times. They take you to the other side.
But I work in Indy with a mechanical company, so if you don't put in exactly or mess up, oh, you're fine. If you don't want to mess up or miss, make sure you put everything correct, because if not, you'll end up on one side of town compared to being not having to be on the other.
Home Depot took back a washer because they couldn't find us. Then the ones from here was going to deliver the one off the floor, and they couldn't find us.
Oh, mercy. That's crazy.
And we're always having somebody go to the wrong place.
I know. Yeah, but see, look, there's my chives.
Paula, can I start a pile somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Kind of right on the table. Okay.
If you need more space, we'll work that out.
Yep, yep. Probably end up buying that hoe too, because Dad's been trying to find one without having to pay $20 for one in Home Depot or something.
Right. Well, my dad used them a lot. David, when he was diagnosed, he was in the garden working.
Yeah.
And
You know, Dad's be 75 in August. He still goes out and cuts wood all day long, stacks it up, and it's
see, my dad took
Crazy.
the garden, mowed the yard, and came in and said, Mom, you gotta call the doctor. I'm itching all over. He's having an allergic reaction. He goes, stage 4 lung cancer. He was gone in a month.
oh man.
1 month.
I'm sorry.
No, but it was crazy. You
Yeah,
know, it was like
it is.
I'd spent the week with. I'd been here the week before. I would have never told you the man was sick. He had one whole lung covered in.
Oh wow,
Yeah, and you
that's
just don't-
terrible.
Yeah, it just, and he would have been 83.
You remember my cousin Rob?
Mm-hmm.
He died of lung cancer too, and it spread into his pancreas and down there. And
Yeah.
they gave him said 6 months. He didn't last a month.
Yeah, isn't it crazy? That's
Yeah.
1 month and he was
Yep.
gone. So
Yep.
yeah, none of us
It's-
were quite.
Are you a pastor?
Oh,
I know Amy's husband, or
Yeah,
when-
Amy, yeah. Mhm,
Jeff is.
Yeah.
But for some reason, I was thinking you were, but I don't know why.
I'm
But
sorry, and I didn't introduce you. This is my husband, David. This is Stacy.
Stacy, nice to meet you, sir. I've
I
known Paula
apologize
since
for
we
that.
were way high.
Yeah. Now he works in our church ministry and music. And
Maybe that's what I'm
Awana
thinking. I
and
was
we do
seeing
all
and
that
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, we volunteer.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
We're the unpaid.
Yeah. Right.
But it's all good.
Yep. It is. It's all right. Good old wash pot.
If there's something specific you would look for there.
No, I just my shop contains. Everybody's always asking me, "Are you going to concentrate on a certain thing?" And I mulled it over, but if you do that, then you really got to find that niche of that certain buyer.
Right.
So if I carry from wide range, then I can get bigger things. So
Bigger group.
if my wife was here, she'd be buying these.
She likes
So
steak.
guess what? They're getting bought.
Aw. She's a baker.
Yeah, see, it was in January. I got up to 310.
Oh,
Because she bakes so well.
Yeah, and baked all the time. I've lost 50 pounds since then, and it's hard. She will not quit baking front. She has her own YouTube channel too. It's called Peggy Sweet Treats.
Okay, I'll
So
see
she
that.
videos
I enjoy
those.
baking and-
Well, hers is a quarter baking and 75% of her stupid cat's outside.
The baking
So-
I would like. I'm not
Yes.
that person.
Yeah, I'm not either, and it drives me nuts.
that's why the cats are outside.
Yes, yeah. Well, we got one cat inside who's about ready to be outside, so.
That's funny.
Well, I appreciate you letting me come
No
and
worries.
look.
We've had odd people popping in and out, different things, and I've had people texting my neighbors looking at Mom's doll collection because she has a
Yeah, I saw you had that on there. Yeah,
And,
dolls
my
is
neighbor
not my
can't
thing.
get here. Yeah, she can't get here, so she's texting. We're texting back pictures, and we're going back and forth 8
Yeah,
ways from Sunday.
yeah,
So it's entertaining.
yeah, it is. I don't envy you guys having to do stuff like this, but
It's easier
Yeah.
than to try to just deal with it someday.
Right.
She's getting ready. She's going to sell the house, and so we
Ah.
have to get rid of.
Let's figure out what you were doing.
Yeah.
I have a boatload. I don't want to talk to you. Leave me alone. Oh, it's my daughter. I better answer. What's up, girl? Okay, good deal. So I was going to go there over here. Go figure. Okay, that's fine. You doing all right? Okay. Well, I'll call you here after a while. So. Okay, we'll go eat. Oh, okay. All right. Love you. Bye. Is that all stuff in there too, Paula?
Yes, sir. And
You are right. You are right.
we did this last summer with 2 rooms full.
Really?
Yeah, because after Dad, probably within 2 months after Dad passed, we got rid of a bunch of his stuff things too.
I don't even want to think about trying to do that with my mom and dad.
It was crazy.
And they got 2. So you know how big their house
Yeah, and we
is.
still have more stuff, you know, and like it's nuts. And
No clothes this time.
yeah, we had some clothes last time because obviously all of Dad's clothes.
Yeah. You do have clothes this time, you said?
No, the
Oh.
only clothes we have are a few shirts my aunt's over
Okay.
there.
All right. That's fine.
Dad's kings. Some of his kings. That's what we used to use before you had it. Did we have a little rig for Richie? Because I was like, he's gonna need that for toys. I'm just saying. And he needs 2 anyway.
Find her!
No, they won't find her that way. You take it.
Paula,
Yes, sir.
are these out here or
They're
are
all in the box.
they're in the box?
Everything is boxed there to go.
Okay. I seen all these. I thought, well,
No, yeah, these are all in there.
Yeah, the little houses don't have.
And I'm pretty sure if you wanted all the precious moments, she might make you a deal.
okay.
And if you wanted more, I can find some at my house.
Sometimes they'll sell and sometimes they
Yeah, I
don't.
know, that's
I mean,
the problem.
it's the right ones you gotta find.
My son would like it if somebody would take mine. He thinks they'd be fun to shoot with a gun. I have 2 full cases of them. I don't think that's a good plan right now.
No, that wouldn't work out none too well. It might for him, but
Yeah.
not you.
Well, and he had boys, so it's not gonna help me. There's nowhere to pass them to.
Yeah.
The boys aren't gonna want them either. You want a box? You need a box?
No, I think I just want a piece to go with it.
Well, that's a cool deal. Yeah, one less piece of furniture to sell. Praise the Lord. Did you catch that, David?
Well, I heard
She doesn't need a box for dishes because they're gonna buy the cabinet that they're in. Because the credenza is where the black dishes sit. Where we're just supposed to take. Yeah, and Mom's selling credenza, so they're not taking it right now. He's like, yeah, so we don't have to deal with it right now. Mom can keep it for a little bit. Kind of like the other. Yeah, it's all crazy. So
but the person who wants the china cabinet doesn't want the china.
no, they don't want this. And Mom didn't have everything in there for sale anyway. But they want the china cabinet, but she has time to unload it to wherever. So that's good. Always good. Great. Somehow. It's crazy. Oh, Stacy, I'm gonna put this over here. This goes with the brown pot.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Thank you.
I just saw it. So. I forgot Aunt Joan had the things spots. This goes to
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's just the glasses.
Set of 4.
Yeah, with the different ones.
Yeah.
From way back.
The Mickey ones too.
The 2000, I think.
Yep.
I don't know. It's after BJ was born. That's all I remember. I'm trying to get matching shirts on at 7,000. Like I said, I'm okay, but I would like to finish off my 10 today. I got you. Run them extra. Mine are short runs. I sat on earlier.
6,300.
Last time ahead of you. Winning today? That doesn't happen often. Want that in your pile too, sir?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Boxes for this other stuff. It's not, yeah. Very confusing.
It's hot.
We didn't realize how big certain Tupperware things were till people were
I
texting
know.
and saying, "Hey, I saw this bowl on there. Any chance I could get that bowl?" Or I mean, they're like zooming in on these pictures to see this stuff.
Yep, they do.
Crazy. Oh, we didn't put prices on the lights, did we?
No.
Are we supposed to? And the tomato cases?
Wild tomato.
Right. Yeah. Or something like that. Yeah. I'll ask her about the lights, cause I know they have to be restrung. Sorry, you realize tomato cages and Christmas lighted things are
Lighted things are free if anybody wants them, if
Okay.
they wanna redo it.
okay. And put free on those and then
The tomato cages, they don't have, they want them all.
I'm just asking.
No. I just told them we can't go on.
Okay, she said tomato cages is depending on if they take them all or not. Lights are free if anybody wants them. They'll have to be restrung though. So if they want the form of the rest of them. I assume they'll ask. That's what we get washed the apples in, but BJ's not gonna be ready for that either. Nowhere to put all of it, so. I'm sorry, what, David?
You wanted it brought up here.
Okay. One more question. Heart. Our apple watching heart. Okay. No, we're David and I are just trying to.
Those things that I told you.
Oh no, we're letting him look right now. He's making a pie.
Oh, that's right.
I'm not done with these. I like those. I don't know nothing about them. I like what they were. Just go through the door here.
Yes, yes. Like there's stuff behind the door and all the way around.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
I'd
Daddy's
love to
ready.
buy that, but I would hate to have to ship that thing.
Oh yeah, that's the.
That would be a killer.
Yeah.
I know people that would buy these though.
And see, we wish we knew them because we tried. We only got rid of a few of them last
Really?
year when we had. And I don't know if Mom said that we had an Amtrak too. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know where it's at.
I just not. A little above my head what I want to do.
Yes. Had a lot of trains. We found trains that we passed in places we didn't know there were. Like where did he come from?
That's going to happen with my baseball card.
Well, okay, my brother, he has been reselling their Pokemon cards.
Yep.
Making a buku, making a
Yeah.
because my brother, before he retired, was the VP with EA Sports.
Mhm.
He was head designer with Mad Football for years.
Oh
So
wow.
he worked with different people. And some dude out in California who worked for the company was giving his boys brand new, fresh coupon cards that, yeah, they have some of the really
The expensive ones.
They were made
Wow, that's cool.
I don't think that their boys realized what it was that their dad did for them hanging onto those cards. But
Mm-hmm.
they'll figure it out.
Oh yeah.
It's just funny.
How many kids do you have?
I have 2 of my own and 3 between her and I with hers, so that gives us 5. And
Yeah, that's good.
2 was plenty to try to raise, especially them girls. I tell you.
I only have one, so you know.
I mean, I'm glad we had them. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
If I had the means at the time, I probably would have had more.
Yeah, it's just different.
But from when we were raised to now, and even to my grandkids, it's
Night and day.
stupid.
Yeah. That's why I worry for my twins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to take those for me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I think our toolbox person may be here.
Yeah. Paula, do you remember Ryan Thurkeld?
Oh, yeah, now you say the name. Yeah.
He's a pastor at our church where we go, Liberty Chapel. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's funny.
Yep. From when we grew up with kids, you know, you don't realize. But yeah.
Well, it's like for a while, Bobby Sellers
Mhm.
was on Facebook, and he like the faith.
Yeah.
In him, I was like, dude, this is not the kid I
Right,
knew. You
yeah.
know, it's crazy.
Yep.
Yeah,
I haven't seen him
so-
post anything for a
no,
while.
he hasn't. So,
So,
I didn't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
What happened?
Um,
Yeah. I thought that was.
He was one of the 3 founders that helped found, I won't say Heritage Christian, but I don't know if that's it or not. Him, Jim Spencer, and a couple other people
Mm,
founded that Christian school,
okay.
and he was there forever.
Wow.
And yeah, just
Interesting.
don't. Yeah,
Yeah, it's just funny. You
it
just-
is.
Yeah.
Yep, very much. So. You guys in Lafayette or around
No,
here?
we live in Noblesville.
Noblesville?
Yeah.
I'm up there a few times, not a whole lot, but
Yeah. We're the other way.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's all right.
We met Lafayette when he was at Purdue. That's where I worked. But
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
It'd be nice. I'd like to be closer to Amy, but
Right.
we don't get enough time together this way.
Never do. I don't think I see a whole lot of people from school either. So
Well, for her, it's just, between, because of him being a pastor and she works and she's taking classes and then we
Yeah.
both have grandchildren. And, you just, so we get a couple visits a year. We call that good.
yep. I hear you.
And we try not to count the funerals as a visit.
Right. Yeah, that don't count. Not at all for those. Oh, stop it. For the cheapness of them, I'll take them, guys. I'll take them.
He's a history geek.
Oh, serious. This room definitely stays warm, doesn't it?
I'm sorry?
This room definitely stays warm.
Yes, last summer the garage still got warmer. I had we had fans going, but it's been warmer today because we've left the garage door closed part of the day
Yeah.
to not have people stopping all day long, and so
Yeah.
hopefully the air will move a little better. But it's
Yeah.
nice though because during the day it's sunny out here. It's
Yep.
if it rains, we're okay,
Right. Right.
which is a praise the Lord thing when you're having a big rain.
Oh, absolutely.
So I just heard last summer somebody came through and they were standing out here going, okay, wow, honey, do this in our house. And he said, you realize it's like in the middle of the house. You can't just do this.
Yep. My wife should be saying the same thing.
Yeah, it's like this is how it is.
Right.
You can't. Dad designed it that way.
That's cool. $1 for day. I am going to take all the green, this brown, and that pink
Okay,
right there.
I'm gonna get a box.
Nope, that's fine. I should have brought my bag. I didn't even think about it.
When I take a box, then that helps me get it partway there.
Yeah.
Ugly eye you got. Are you really one of those? Just kidding.
What's that? Are you? Paula, you know better.
Yeah, we're Purdue people.
I still, me and Jason Purdue too. So
Yeah.
to this day, it's
Not the brown one, right?
this was my year to brag. So
Yeah. Brown one or no?
yes.
I couldn't remember. I know you told me, but I.
Abraham Lincoln, Abraham, Mr. Abraham. My belly is a growling, a growling, a growling. My body is a growling. Danger treetop. All kinds of treetop stuff.
Everything you take out tonight, that much I don't have to mess with tomorrow.
Oh my God. $4. I'll have the green one at home. I can put those in the zone.
If you can't find it, just ask. It's probably here somewhere. She has so much. Oh, it's painful.
I have the green one at home.
Yeah. My son has an entire M&M collection.
Does
still
he?
At our house. That was Dad's, but my son's is still at my house.
Yep.
I think he's ready to get rid of it, but we're not sure. We think his boys might want part of it, so we won't.
Yeah.
We will make them take it.
Yep. I don't blame. Vacation.
Yeah. Well, and then there's more pennants.
Those
on
are
the
cool.
wall. The pennants on the wall are the more unusual
Oh yeah.
ones. because they're like bicentennial
Uh-huh.
signed, or I like the Santa Claus Land, Indiana. You know, that's what Holiday Bowl was when I was little.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a Santa Claus Land.
Yep.
I don't know. So,
God forbid that, you know, that's still called that.
if for any reason you'd want those, I could make you a deal on all of them, like, you know, cheaper price on a whole bunch, but otherwise, you may put the M&M out with
I don't
your
want, yeah, I don't want to insult you.
stuff. No, that's fine.
You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I get scared of wanting to make offers because I don't want to offend anybody, you know?
Oh, no, because that's exactly why, yeah. Don't say I'm not because I don't see it.
I'm gonna take this one. Oh, you dirty, rotten turkey.
Beth, she said you were asking for her orders before it got long. I found it. Well, I knew it, I thought it was there, but it hasn't been moved around. It's right there. These are see their extra pay.
Praise the Lord. We'll see you tomorrow then too. Yes, sir.
So that whole pile of those banners,
Uh-huh.
you take 5 for them?
For the pile, and then these are separate?
These are separate.
Yeah, I will do
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. You
All
wanna
right.
get them?
Yes, please. And we'll see what we're coming up to here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9.
This yours too?
Yep.
Okay.
Thought I seen the price. Oh, there it is. 12, 13,
Well, we gotta put them on the right people too.
Right.
So.
14, 22, 22 and a half, 27, and then you can put them where you want
Yeah,
to.
I'm gonna lay them right here for the moment.
Yep, that's fine.
Yeah.
So we're not bad. We're about $30, so 30, 35, somewhere in there.
That was the way I wanted it. I didn't need it, you know, but, yeah. I didn't have to be ready.
How much?
I'm sorry?
How much we at?
Yeah,
Oh, you're fine.
We're separated by people.
Yeah.
Nope, you're fine.
We were doing the individual peeps and then we're,
Does this lid go with this bowl, Paula? They were underneath them. So.
yes, I think if one of those goes,
Okay,
yeah,
it seemed like
or-
it fitted it.
or
So
you can
fit.
take all three lids with it.
Oh, that's
what
fine.
else it
If
goes.
you're going, that's fine. I don't care.
We'll see how good his mask is. He's supposed to be the engineer mask.
There you go.
We'll see if it's stuck. When my son was little, and he says, "Mom, what's math?" And I said, "Well, you know, if you have two and you add one," and he said, "That's three," and I said, "That's math," and I said, "Oh Lord, I'm raising another one."
He's got to pull it out.
Yeah.
When we're multiplying on different sites. it's
Yeah.
harder.
Yeah. Well, I
Keeping
understand.
everybody straight.
Yep. Some of these that are characters like that, you don't realize that if they have the original tags, all full tags and everything, can be.
Yeah, he was given it that way because he was little.
Yeah.
And
Oh no, I understand.
they don't want to chew him.
I have an Aaron doll Beanie Baby at home that's still in the box.
Yeah. There's some
And
beanies
I've
over there
seen
with tags, but
I've seen different prices anywhere from 300 to 11,000.
yeah.
But in order to get that kind of money, you have to send it off to have it graded.
Right, and then
Well,
yeah.
it's got to be sent clear to Washington State, and I'm worried about getting them back.
Yeah. Where we at, dear?
34.
34.
That's what I thought.
Okay. So then this is another $1 for Mommy. Do you care if I put them in the bowl?
Nope. Take 3 for all those. They're all 50 cent or lower. There's 1, 2, 3, and I think that one might be $1. Well, that's a 75. These two are 75 here.
This one's $1.50.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Are they yours or mom's?
Well, I think it's a mixture. Well, maybe. Wait, if they all say P, they're all mine. Then I can make the deal.
Yeah.
3. Well, they may all be mine. I can. Mom has so many.
P. I'm trying to grab the China doll.
Yeah. Okay. So there is. Let's see. I'm just gonna figure what it was if
Can
they
you
were
see it?
the way they're priced.
Yeah.
Okay. So that one's 75 too.
Yep,
Right?
that's
So that's
$1.50.
$2.50. I think that was $1.50, wasn't it? So that would be
Yep.
3, 4, 5, 50, 4.5.
Sure.
4.5.
For you?
Yep.
We're up to 39.50.
Okay. So would you like some quarters or you want 20s?
Either way.
I got them rolled up.
Oh, we can
I
do
bring them
either
just
one.
in case.
Yeah,
So
we can do either way. Today we're good. Whatever.
there's $30 right there. Let's do this. I'll give you 20 of it that way.
Okay.
I'll give you another 20. That's 40.
Yeah, and I owe him back 50 cents, right?
Keep it. Ain't no biggie.
Thank
We
you.
got it
I
here.
appreciate it very
No,
much, sir.
thanks for letting me come out
No
and
worries.
look. You know, this is the first time I've got to be basically kind of somewhat what they call a first time
Yeah.
before everybody else.
Yeah.
And it's always fun because when you look at the photos that everybody posts, it's, oh, I want that, I want that. By the time I'm able to get there, it's after 4 o'clock and
Yeah.
everything's gone. So,
Yeah. Well, there's still some stuff that's been gone, but
no,
That's
that's
just
fine.
how it
I got,
works, so.
yeah, I'm happy with this. This is
Can
going
we
to be
help
good.
because we've got. If you want more boxes, we
Oh, no, this is fine. We can take what we got right here. There we go. Oh, I took the lighter out. Awkward. Yep.
This truck is pretty.
Yep. Yeah, I'll grab it here in a second, Bill. You guys are not flying away from me.
I'll let him carry that.
That's
That's a two-hand.
Yes, it is.
You wouldn't let me.
We're going down to Roy Creek.
Ah,
Do you know where that's at?
wow. Don't know where that one
It's down by Reelsville, just west of
Okay.
Cloverdale.
Okay.
It's a, if I remember right, what they're saying, 'cause I've never been there. My dad has, but it's a 60-some acre outdoor flea market.
Wow. It's fun.
Now, it's not your typical flea market either. They sell pigs, cows, chickens,
Oh,
everything
cool.
there.
Oh, cool.
So you just drive around through the woods and
Yeah.
Nice. I like
we
that.
go at it.
Well, thank you, sir.
No, thank you, dear.
We
And
appreciate it. It's
sorry
nice
we had to
see
see
you
each
again.
other again on these kind of
Yeah,
circumstances.
yeah,
But
but yeah, that's,
yeah,
when we get ready to sell, it'll be hard, but
yeah, it will. I look forward to it.
yeah.
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 All right,
So,
we'll see you
thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. All right, guys, hold on. I'll get with you here. So yeah, that's cool. I got to be a first pick. Basically, I think they had a few other people come, but it was just people popping in and out.